Hey everybody, Roland Smith here, Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, and as you can probably already tell, we're back out here in the wood shop again this morning. And if you have not hit the subscription button, please consider doing so. Hit that thumbs up if you like any of my videos. And be sure to hit the notification bell because you never know what we'll be doing from one video to the next. But today I'm going to be talking to you about the Wen Band saw, so stick around. Now, before I get into this video, let me first of all start by saying I'm not a professional, nor do I claim to be. I'm a make do until the real fella shows up. But for the size shop that I have, which is very small, and for the money at $250, this is the ticket for me. If you are just a average woodworker, beginning woodworker, if you're a hobbyist, this is the route to take. I have ran countless pieces of wood through this bandsaw, and all without fail. And that's where it's at. But today, we're going to be changing the blade on this bandsaw. Now, like I said, I'm not a professional, nor do I claim to be. You stick with what works for you, and you'll come out in the long run. Don't take just my opinion alone. So, stay with me. Now, as with any piece of equipment, especially the newer models these days, they have a key inside of the power switch. Bandsaw has it, my lathe has it, my drill press has it. Do not solely rely on this switch when doing any kind of maintenance on the equipment, changing any kind of blade, setting any kind of bit, doing any kind of adjustment. Always unplug the power source. That assures you that there's no power. Just a few seconds of work can save you a lifetime of heartache. Move your guides. Clean everything while you got it off. Now open the doors. You've got a control knob back here. You can see it right there. That will allow that wheel to move in and out. You have a tension control up here. Go ahead and release that. Get the old blade out. Don't damage it, don't kink it. You may have to go back to it. You may break a blade. Have to go back using the same blade. You don't want to damage anything. There we go. It's free and out. Set it aside. Get your new blade. Trying to get you the best shot I can get you. Right there. Don't worry about the pulleys. The main thing is get it into the guides properly. Once you have it in the guides, okay? Once it's in the guides, check and double check and recheck. Making sure that everything's where it needs to be. There's no power on this thing. If you can do this, you've got it in the guides if there's no hang-ups. Tension the blade. Now, freehand spin it. That will seat that bandsaw blade into those guides. You don't want too much tension on there now. You don't want it to walk off and leave you, but you don't want so much tension in it. Break your blade. Now, that's your freehand spun. Shut your doors. And plug it back up to the power source. Perfect. I don't see but very little movement. It's in the guides good. Let it run for just a minute. Checking for the free spin. Let me show you what we're talking about. Watch that blade right there. Want the free spin to a stop. It's not so tight that it binds it. But that's how I change the blade in my bandsaw. Brand spank new bandsaw blade. Time to get busy. Now, put your guides back into place. Make sure they're right exactly where you want them to be, and then tighten them down. There we go. Everything is good now. Make sure that everything is where it needs to be. But anytime you open those doors, even if it's for a small piece of wood that hangs up inside of the guides, be sure you cut the power on this thing. There's more accidents with a bandsaw and a table saw than there are about with anything. And just a few extra steps and safety measures allows you to keep your ease intact. But this is Roland Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. I appreciate you watching. If this video's helped you, like I say, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the notification bell. Consider subscribing. Go further, stay longer. I'll catch you out in the field. Thanks for watching.